like him. I just want to vacuum. I want to fucking vacuum right now.
I'm recording.
Oh, I want to vacuum. I want to vacuum. Hold on.
Maddie, just run it. Just let her vacuum once. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. And it's rude to break a girl's heart. So I didn't mean to. She's gonna think she's like trying to be
She's such an idiot.
I laughed as manager came over. You lost your job.
I'd be laughing too.
No, he says that's coming out of your pay or something like that.
I know.
I already vacuumed.
Look behind you, there's 2 white pieces. I'm so good at vacuuming.
This guy's probably like...
Can
Can I stop?